Hi guys, today I decided to throw away the old car mats in my Audi TT. Since this is a manual transmission here on my Audi, the floor mats quickly fell into disrepair and need to be replaced. So first I need to move the chair back to make room and just disconnect the mat mounts. It is necessary to remove the mat carefully so as not to drop the dirt that has accumulated on top. However, I will clean the inside of the car anyway. The car mat is torn and cracked, so it cannot be restored, as you can see. Also, I want to replace the passenger floor mat. The passenger floor mat looks much better, but I want to completely update the interior of my car, so I will be replacing all the floor mats as a set. And I'll just throw the old car mats in the trash. I need to remove all the dirt that has accumulated under the driver's and passenger's floor mats. Although I'm not used to driving my cabrio in the rain, but dirt sometimes collects on the soles of my shoes. So I know that some people can drive a convertible car with a soft top even in winter. By the way, my air conditioner works well, the car interior heating also works well, and there is also heating of the seats. But I think that in winter snow and ice freezes on the roof, and also the door glass closers do not work well. I don't like to torture my car, so I try to drive only in rainless weather. By the way, the mat fasteners can sometimes break because they are made of plastic. You can buy new mounts for your car floor mats and get a 5% discount if you open the link to the Amazon product page below this video. Here are finally my new floor mats for my Audi TT 8J. These car floor mats were custom made and made from high quality leather and smell great too. Just look at the quality of these car mats and you will see the absolute difference compared to my old mats. These mats are quite easy to install as well as remove them from the floor of the car. Simply attach them to the mounts on the floor of your vehicle. Your mat will fit tightly and will not slide when you press the pedals of your car. I believe that my car now looks better and even more expensive. Just repeat the same with your floor mat and install it on the passenger side of the car. Looks like everything looks great now, but I hope in time there will be new interesting updates for these car mats and you will see them later. And now you just need to put your passenger and driver's seat in a comfortable position. However, this is not the end, because I decided to keep some details of my old car floor mats, so I decided to remove the plate from my old car floor mat on the driver's side. This plate protects the floor mat from wear and tear when you press the pedals of your car. You can also purchase this or a similar plate and protect your car's floor mat or prevent your foot from slipping when you press the pedals. I will leave a link to this product on Amazon below this video. Here you can see what the mat looked like without the plate and how quickly it can wear out. So I believe that this is just a very necessary thing that will be useful to you. So I decided to keep this plate and also screw the bolts back in place, so I wouldn't lose this set. I also decided to keep the car mat attachment to avoid additional costs in the future. These mounts are in good condition and just need to be removed carefully. You can purchase these or similar mounts for your car floor mats at the link below this video. I always try to review some instructions on YouTube to avoid mistakes in the work. So thank you for watching. I would appreciate for your subscribe, like or comment. See you soon.